What's up, guys? It's Kelly Shalal, registered dietitian and personal trainer behind your favorite healthy living blog, Hungry Hobby. And today I'm here showing you how to make my 6-ingredient pumpkin seed bars. Pumpkin seeds are fantastic for hormone health. They're very filling, and this is a delicious, healthy snack that you can keep in your refrigerator or take on the go with you anytime so that you always have a healthy snack. So if you want to learn how to make them really fast, then make sure that you stick around because we're going to get to it. But first, make sure you hit that red subscribe button and the notifications bell so that you never miss a video. I upload new healthy videos every single week, including nutrition tips and sometimes even workouts, so you don't want to miss anything. So make sure that you tap those buttons below so we can get started. All right, guys, so I first made this pumpkin seed bar recipe when I first started seed cycling. If you've never heard of seed cycling, I will link to a post that I wrote below, as well as a video I did on seed cycling questions and answers. It's about incorporating different seeds at different points in your menstrual cycle to help support hormone balance and hormone production. Pumpkin seeds are fantastic hormone support for both males and females. They're rich in protein and healthy fats, selenium and zinc, great for both male and female hormone health. They're also very filling. So they're a great healthy snack to include, but I get tired of just eating like handfuls of raw pumpkin seeds, you feel me? I just need something a little more exciting than that. So to make this recipe, what you need to do is combine raw, unsalted pumpkin seeds with a binder. I used oat flour. Now, I have a ton of videos on oat flour and oat flour recipes, and even more recipes on the blog. It's one of my favorite things to cook and bake with. So if you need to know how to make oat flour, it's really easy. Kind of just stick it in the blender and grind up the oats. But if you have more questions on that, I will link below a video I did on how to make homemade oat flour. But you're gonna combine the pumpkin seeds with oat flour, cinnamon and salt, and give that a good stir. And then only 2 wet ingredients. You're gonna use honey and melted coconut oil. Now, if you'd like to make this recipe vegan, I would not substitute maple syrup or any other type of sweetener. I would substitute only brown rice syrup. Brown rice syrup and honey both have this hardening property when they cool that's gonna help these bars stick together. So those are really the only 2 that I think would work in this recipe, so make sure to use just one of those. And then, like I said, the melted coconut oil, which most people are good with melted coconut oil. So you'll mix all that up, and the mixture will be, it won't be like a cohesive batter or anything like that, right? You're still gonna have separation there. It's gonna be a bunch of pumpkin seeds mixed with all those ingredients. What you'll do is you'll line a 8x8 baking sheet. I've done this both in metal and glass pans, so you're fine there, but I would put parchment paper down. And then line the sheet with parchment paper, and then spray it with oil just to be sure. And then you will take all the batter and dump it in to the parchment lined paper, and then you'll have to use your spoon to gently kind of press the bars down so that they're very, very compact. Okay? And you'll throw it in the oven and bake it. The full recipe instructions are on the blog, but you'll throw it in the oven and you'll bake it. Now here's the tricky part. When it comes out, you want to let it cool completely, like an hour outside and then another hour in the fridge. That's gonna allow all that oat flour to absorb the liquid. It's gonna allow the coconut oil and the honey to harden, and then you'll really get bars and not like a crumbly mess. So once it's cooled in the fridge, then you can go ahead and cut it and you'll get bars, and they're delicious. I throw them in Ziploc bags all the time and take them with me on the go, and they're just a great healthy snack that's delicious and cheaper than buying other types of bars, and great for your hormone health and all that stuff, like I said. So they will crumble a little bit around the edges, okay? So I do a couple things with this. Eat the crumbs, or sometimes I will throw the crumbs in like any extra granola I have as a part of my granola. So the crumbling is really, really minimal, but there is a little bit, and I know people freak out about it, so I thought I would mention it. But as you can see, I mean, these bars are sticking together pretty well. It takes a lot for me to break one apart, and then even then, like 1 seed fell out just now. So that's about how much crumbling there are. And when you bite into them, there's very little crumbling. So, and these have also been out of the fridge for a while. So there's that. So delicious recipe, and I hope you enjoy it. Let me know if you try it, and you could tag me on Instagram at @hungryhobbyrd. You can leave a comment here or on the blog. Always appreciated, especially if you modify this recipe in any way. People love to hear different versions and modifications of things. So thanks for watching, and I hope you enjoyed this recipe, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye. So good.